Hey, it's Jack Miller here from Jack's Digital Ventures, and welcome to my Passion Over Profits, or POP for short, progress update video. On today's agenda, we're going to cover how much money have I made so far, how do I feel about the program so far, what's my current strategy to succeed, how's my current strategy working, and what are my future plans for this program. Make sure you stay to the end so you can have all the info you need to make an informed decision. Plus, I do also have a special free gift for you. But before we begin, you must be wondering who I am and why you should be listening to me. So my name is Jack Miller, and I've been making money online working from home for the past 6 years. But my story begins about 7 years back when I was hit with some nasty health complications, which left me with a ton of medical bills. And this was on top of having a 9 to 5 call center job I absolutely hated. My life was just a complete living nightmare with no hope of escape. I just couldn't take it anymore, and I knew I had to do something. So I hopped on the internet to find a way to make money online and turn my life around. In my struggles, I bought a bunch of different programs and courses, and some of them worked, but most of them did not. But luckily enough for me, I was eventually able to pay off all my medical bills. I was even able to leave my 9 to 5 job for a period of time. So if you like videos about making money online, then feel free to hit that subscribe button to see more content in the future. And before we begin, here's a quick disclaimer. I did buy and use this program, so what I'm sharing is my personal experience and opinion. Also, some links below are affiliate links, which means I earn a commission if you buy through them at no extra cost to you. And just to be clear, these are my personal results. Results can vary and there are no guarantees. Always make sure to do your own research. Alright, now with that out of the way, let's get started. So how much money have I made so far? I've had POP for a while, and from the program's teachings, I was able to make over $40,000 online selling various different products. But since I've recently made POP my main offer, I've decided to focus on just sales from reselling POP itself for this and future update videos, since that will probably provide more accurate information for beginners looking to buy and resell POP themselves. So with that said, how much have I made from just reselling POP itself? A solid $2,000 from 2 sales, which makes me technically profitable at a 100% return on investment. So it used to be $3,000 from 3 sales before, but the third sale was from a sleazy guy who took advantage of Stripe to force a refund on me. He told me that he thought POP wasn't what he expected, even though it's confirmed that he never even used it. And he even admitted he knew POP had a no refund policy, but apparently I couldn't dispute his refund with Stripe because my checkout page wasn't legally strong enough. Just an FYI for anyone with their own online store, make sure your checkout page has a mandatory checkbox saying that they understand that the product has no refunds. And also make sure to have some text next to the purchase button saying that there are no refunds for this product. That should be enough to legally protect you from sleazy refunders like that guy, but man, was that a bitter lesson to learn. Alright, let's move on. So, how do I feel about the program so far? Overall, I'm pretty optimistic about POP and making it my main offer. I think the program has a lot to offer for both beginners and veterans to making money online. Whenever I feel stuck or confused, I know I can always just rewatch one of the course videos or hop on one of the Zoom coaching calls. And my favorite part by far is being able to resell POP and keep 100% of the money from each sale. It's hard not to feel happy when you've made close to $1,000 from a single sale. Okay then, so what's my current strategy to succeed? At the moment, I'm relying mainly on my funnel, which might be my strongest and most polished funnel yet. My funnel starts with an email opt-in page that offers a free training video that I personally wrote and shot myself. After that, it goes to a page that offers my leads a chance to get another free optional bonus if they invite one of their friends to join my funnel. And then after that, I have a page that plays a video that gives them instructions on how to get the free training. But it also tells them that if they're serious about getting real results, they can check out POP from the link below. And the video also tells them about all the bonuses I would give them if they bought POP from me. And even if they don't pick up POP right after they opt in, I have 10 emails that are set to automatically go out to them to try to get them to check out POP again. I'm really proud of all the work I put into this funnel, so I hope it converts well. I just need to make sure I do my part to get sufficient traffic to it. For the time being, I'm going to focus on YouTube video reviews since that seems to be the best strategy I've discovered so far. And overall, how is my current strategy working? No sales so far, but I did get about 10 or so leads in my nearly finished funnel. This brings me to 59 leads so far for my new full email list. Not bad so far. It would be unreasonable to expect a pop sale so early on, but I just have to focus on getting more quality traffic to my funnel. Which means I have to sit myself down and make myself put out more YouTube video reviews. Even though I feel so lazy and I don't want to do it. Okay, so what are my future plans for this program? At the moment, I do genuinely think Pop might be my highest recommended program for anyone looking to make money online. There's a multitude of reasons for this, but I think the strong community support and the main focus on organic social media marketing is a standout for me. I've just been in so many other programs that make you hire a bunch of freelancers or spend a bunch of money on paid ads that just drains your bank account and makes you feel like you're gambling. Pop is like the exact opposite of programs like that, so that makes me comfortable making this my current main offer. I would genuinely recommend this to my friends and family too. Will my main offer change in the future? I think so. I see some other promising make money online programs launching in the future, but as far as an evergreen offer I have confidence in, Pop takes the cake. Okay, so that's all well and good. So what should you do if you're interested in this program? You can pick it up from the link in the pinned comment below. And if you pick it up through my link, I'll even give you a special bonus package for you as well. It's called Jack's Escape Method. And it's basically everything I know about making money online in one easy-to-access package. The first part of this package is a video case study called Escape in 9 Months. It goes over exactly what I did in 9 months to make enough money online to temporarily leave my call center job. The second part of the package is a Canva template for video reviews. This is the exact same template I used to make my video reviews on YouTube, so you could follow in my footsteps if you wanted to. The last part of the package is 10 email templates personally written and polished by me. I designed them to be used with any make money online offer, so you could potentially use them to sell anything you want to your leads. Of course, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's going to take a lot of effort, and there are no guarantees. But if you're willing to put in the necessary work, I think you'll likely have a positive experience with my bonus package. So if you're interested in Jack's Escape Method, just take a picture of your receipt, and then email the receipt to jack@jacksdigitalventures.com, and I'll take care of the rest. Okay, so that's all well and good, but what if you're not interested in this program? Is there an alternative that's just as effective or potentially better? There sure is. And how can you find out more about this alternative? By checking out my free gift in the pinned comment below. It's a free online training about my personal favorite strategy to make money online. The same strategy that helped me pay off my medical bills and escape from my 9-to-5 job for a period of time. Again, check out the pinned comment below to get started with my free training. Well, that's all from me today. Thanks for watching my video. You take care and have a great day.